the traditional healers tortured me. There is one who beat me up badly that he was beating the evil spirit out of me until I also beat him.
Kunda was lucky he later received proper treatment, but many people suffering from bipolar and other mental illnesses are not that fortunate. This does not sit well with human rights activists fighting for their cause.
Mental health is not look like other sicknesses. People think in other way that those are people who will not need treatment like somebody suffering from malaria.
Derek Chiza, the Executive Director for Mental Health Uganda, says the abuse of the rights is mostly with the judiciary.
We have a law in place that still refers to people as insane, as people who have unsound mind. And then you would be so surprised, the people on the bench, the judges, know nothing about mental illness.
Chiza says access to justice for these people is always long in coming. Many mental health experts say that the society agitates people who have mental illnesses and easily discards of them into institutions where most are secluded.
You are locked up in that room completely naked, and it is very cold.
He says these are human rights issues that affect the quality of services. Robin Hammond, an award-winning documentary photographer who is working on a Dutch project on mental health in African countries in crisis, paid a visit to the most struck region in Uganda and found the gaps.
People are often chained or tied to a certain place, and it's not that their family, it's often by family members, and it's not that their family members are in any way sort of malicious or cruel, it's just they don't know what else they can do.
He says, however, that there are people trying their best to help, but with no support.
The moment the political will is there, we have seen a lot of advancement in areas like malaria and HIV/AIDS.
While mental health and human rights can be said in the same sentence, the two are detached in reality. This according to the John Paul II Justice and Peace Center, which will run a mental health activism campaign for 16 days in collaboration with the Makerere Arts Gallery. Florence Alimba, NTV.